We're Heather and Jan, and it is our mission to build an adventure van big enough for our furry family of 5 to travel around Europe and beyond. We are first-time builders, but this did not stop us taking on this super ambitious project. And with only 7 days until our first ferry, as usual, we are working down to the wire. Okay guys, hello from the bedroom area. I'm up here trying to tidy this area up because it's been kind of neglected because, as you can see, it's kind of awkward to work in. Now, while I've been up here, it's been raining, as you can see, and that has allowed me to find a really horrible thing. Can you see it? It's a leak right there, and I can't find where it's coming from. That is dangerous stuff, people. Dangerous stuff. But my real reason for being up here is I'm wallpapering this section. But I cannot ignore this. But I also cannot fix it until it stops raining. So I'm going to do my best for the moment to ignore it and fix it as soon as it stops raining. Shiza Manelli. Glad I noticed it now though and not on the road. When we had no tools and ways of fixing it, that would have been crap. I don't know when we could have done it, or where it could have come from, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But anyway, for now, I'm gonna chuck some wallpaper up on this section, build some shelves in there, and yeah, get cracking. I'll let you know how it goes. That is the first piece on. Same wallpaper as below. I'm just using PVA glue again, because it worked quite well before. And now I'm on to the next piece. So that is that little wall done. And I've got some shelves to go in here. Still not fixed my leak. Got that catching the water at the moment because I'm still waiting for the rain to stop. That is all I can do up here for now. I'm going to carry this wallpaper around onto this wall once I figure out how to get rid of my little friend. It's the next morning. I'm going to go see how much water has leaked into the bedroom area. Till the ladder's here, there's still a solution at the moment. Not that much, thankfully. Okay. So. This much water, if you can see the level there. And Yayan actually thought they might figure out why it's happened. How do we get the hole in our roof?
Well, I don't know yet.
Well, how do we think?
Sorry, duck's making funny noises.
Yeah, Yayan's distraction. Literally the second a bird flies over his head.
Yeah, I've not heard the ducks make that noise before. I think maybe when I was pressure washing the roof, I might have lifted some of the fiberglass, like the second layer of fiberglass that I put on, so the water might be getting underneath it. So I guess we'll find out. Won't we? So we found the culprit. I've ripped this big fiberglass patch off, and I've got a few more bits to get off here as well. I'll try and get some of this original patch off, and then I'm going to put a new one on. I'm going to do another sheet of fiberglass from this corner back to here, because we've got 3 fiberglass patches along that strip. I just want to cover them all. So first I need to cut my fiberglass. Really put a jacket on, this is too warm. Okay. Line that up. Very nice. Is our repair all done? When I was mixing the resin, I mixed in some of the vehicle paint as well, so it should all seamlessly match in. And now, hopefully that'll do the job. But we won't find out until we get our next rain. But I don't see how that wouldn't work. So
Huh? That's why we keep him around. Test him. We can test it with the hose once it's dry. I can sit inside and Yang can douse it, and we'll see if we have a drip. Hopefully not. Thank God we kept that fiberglass then, eh? You've been doing what I've been fiberglassing our roof, eh?
Been making a ladder.
Ding ding ding.
So we'll actually be able to get up and down into bed.
Instead of my crazy monkey jump.
Ding dong. So update on my ladder. We've put everything together dry fit. So we've got all the beams to the right length, etc. Now I'm just going through and sanding all of these, because you'll see we have been, as this project's got longer and more expensive, we have been reclaiming more wood. So this is an old table that Heather had built, and I've got all the beams from it. From how many years ago did you buy these?
Over 2 years ago.
Probably 2 years ago. We stained them all when we used them, so they're actually all in perfect nick, but they need sanding down because they're all like old stain.
And we've been using it as a painting table.
Yeah, we've been using it as a everything table, so it's got bits of paint and stuff on. But once they're sanded down, lovely and clean.
Yeah. Come and see what I'm doing. I am finishing off this floor area. So I'm having the wood on here and on this step, because you'll have seen, even just having, you can't really see that well on camera, but basically black shows up dirt so easily. So yeah, I'm gonna put some wood on those, makes it look a bit more like a floor, and it's just way more durable. And I've got a little end piece to go on here as well. Guys, it is warm here today, but I've cut all my pieces now for my floor. How good does that look? A little step up, little runway, cat walk, dog walk, and dog sofa. Biggest dog bed in existence. I haven't seen a lot of van builders use this, but it's great. It's like black, multi-surface construction sealant adhesive. It's sort of like Sikaflex, but just stickier. Yeah. Jesus.
Heather?
No.
Heather? Darling?
You must want something.
Beautiful lady?
Off, you're making me laugh. I'm dealing with sticky stuff.
Oh.
You made me move.
I made you move.
Yeah, you did. Right, get out of here. I'm not doing you any favours. You're annoying me today.
One favour I want from you. I've annoyed you today.
Yeah, you have.
That's what I'm
You've
saying.
annoyed me.
You've annoyed me.
Well, I kind of annoyed you because you annoyed me first.
Yeah.
I said it first, so I get dibs. Yeah. I can't believe you made me get black stuff on this beautiful wood. You a-hole. Look, that was you. Yeah, it was. You did that, not me. You.
You're gonna get something in a minute.
Oh, what?
What I am? You like that?
No, that's abusive. You can tell we're getting on a bit in the van build. I just want it to be done. I just want it to be finished. I'm done with building this thing. It's ready to get to Europe, get out of here, and do some traveling. I'm building this thing now for 8 months, and I'm bored of it. Just I'm really ungrateful, and I don't care.
You've done anything since I last come here.
Oh, right. You are an a-hole.
That's a bit nasty.
Yeah, well, you're being nasty to me first, so. How good does that look?
Very good.
Thank you.
You get a kiss.
Oh, how lucky am I? A kiss from the one and only Yang Jones.
Would you like one on your lips?
No, I'm still not at you.
Quite beautiful. How about this? So we have finally got a ladder up to the bedroom, and I'll show you a little bit around the ladder in a minute, but essentially we made this out of all the reclaimed wood that Heather made a bench out of just over 2 years ago. So it was really nice to be able to kind of use something where you kind of know the history, you know like what this has been and what it's been before, and now it's turned into a ladder, which is quite cool. So I'm going to oil this up so that it lasts for another 2 years hopefully, and this will get hung up. I've made it so that it fits in the van and it'll hang up on one of the back walls. And I'll show you some video of that too. Pretty happy though, it's nice. It's going to be good. And this, everybody, is how Heather's been doing our sides of our drawers.
Looks super smart.
So she takes
Got our wavy wallpaper.
the wallpaper and pretty simply
very
glued
cute
it on.
assistant. Yeah, he's helping me,
Hey,
isn't
buddy.
he? Yeah, he's helping me.
And I am just about to, we haven't seen this list in a little while, I'm just about to tick loads of things off, so we're going to have a session. We're going to have a ticking session.
Tick it off, tick it off, tick it off.
Cab step.
Tick it
Done.
off. Bedroom ladder, tick it off. Outdoor step, tick it off.
Wait,
Finish
what was
side
cab
route.
step then?
It was the one from the cab through to the...
Oh, well we have done
I
it,
did that.
but we're
Tick
gonna
it
do
off.
again.
Finish side roof, insulate. Tick it off.
Done that.
Toilet flap, done.
Done that.
Attached bathroom life, done.
Done.
Wire and test heater, not done. Didn't work.
No,
It was
yeah.
tested, but
We have
the
done it,
test
but it didn't
failed.
work, yeah.
Sitting room cubbies, done.
What are sitting room cubbies?
The cubbies that I made, the armrests,
Oh yeah, yeah. They're done.
done. Paint and sand table, not done.
No.
Finish roof, bedroom
Bed.
end,
Yeah,
done.
done that. Come on, buddy.
Hey, buddy, you're in the way. OSB cover, oh yeah, that's done.
Yeah, we did that.
Bedroom wall, done.
Yeah.
That's the tile wall. Bathroom handle, not done.
No.
Small pipe door, done, because we're not having the small pipe door anymore. Paint van inside, done.
Yeah.
Paint van outside, done.
Yeah.
Door latch external, done.
Done. Yeah.
And reseal walls.
Not done. External walls.
Ah,
But well, we
it's
kind
painted
of
now,
too late
so,
now. So.
yeah. Done! So bathroom handle, paint sand table, wire test heater, and what's not on there, Ian, is
Yeah.
grey water tank.
Yes, grey water.
That's our one big job that we're kind of
Wow, it's actually
avoiding.
pretty small. I can do it right now. Cut a hole in the floor. We have got a tank. Okay, well, I can look to see if we can mount
That's
a
what I
tank.
mean, you need to mount that tank.
And there was one more thing. Oh, the drainage pipe, the drain pipe for our big water
Oh
tank.
yeah, because that's sort of not really in the hole.
Yeah.
Needs a bit of pipe on it.
Yes, you are being a bit needy, Mr. Man.
Yeah, he just wants a cuddle.
Oh, no, boy, would you want to go lie on the sofa in the van, huh? Want to go lie on that sofa? That's a very comfy sofa. Come on. Ugh. Should we say goodnight because it's going to run out of battery
Yeah,
and
see you
I'm not
night.
charging it. Good night, everybody.
See you tomorrow. So I just poked my head out of our skylight to check that all of the resin had cured and the fiberglass is hard, and it is. So I'm going to make it rain, literally, and see if our patch has fixed our leak, which I really hope it has. Hopefully that'll do it. No digging. Sit. That's the shelf. I don't know if I like it. Maybe look from where you are. I was expecting to really like it. Okay. So I made these. They're a little wonkety woo. But I think they're gonna look better than these. I guess we'll just have to see. I've got my beautiful assistant here with me. Do what I do? Are you going to help me? Oh, you're such a cute guy. I like it, such a cute little guy, huh? You've got a dirty nose. You've got sodas on your nose. Okay, will we make some shelves, huh? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have a look at that from back here. We're coming a long way with this shelf. I'm adding this little lip on now so that whatever we put on there doesn't fall off. And those brackets, I don't even care what anyone else thinks. They look so much better. I am so pleased with my decision to make my own. Boom. And I'm actually also a little bit embarrassed to say I've got to the last leg of the van build to ever appreciate the impact driver. I just couldn't, when I was screwing into this plank, I couldn't get the drill in. I was like, oh, I'll give the impact driver a go. It's so good. Who knew? Can you tell I'm happy with my shelf? Yes, I am. So I did film myself making this, but I can't find the footage anywhere, so I'm just going to show you what I did, and I hope you like it. I love it. So I made this bathroom door, which I just stuck some wallpaper onto it, which you saw me testing in the last video. And the best part is this handle, which I made from scratch. I think everyone has that one thing in their van that is completely not impressive to anybody else, but they are so proud of. Like, it's so tiny, but I love it so much because I made it, and I just had never made a handle before. And it has to be kind of wide because the way our bathroom is. I can show you now. It like doesn't close flush, so yeah. So you lock it from the inside when you have your shower or your toilet, and it closes back up again. And it's so pretty. And then the other thing that I wanted to show you was the completed bedroom headboard and our little cubbies, which I've painted up. That's pretty much this bedroom area completed. The leak is all fixed, all good, tried and tested. Hopefully we don't have another problem like that again, because that'll be quite hard to fix. But yeah, confident that is good. The only corner that I don't really like and bothers me immensely about this van is this one, the other side of the bedroom. So you can still sort of see the insulation tape through the gap. I think I'll just Sikaflex or use some caulking or something over that. And then this part here, where this is two separate boards. This one was cut bespoke to that curve, and they just didn't line up. I don't know how to like finish this. The rest of the van is sort of similar the whole way down, but it's more uniform. Yeah, our wiggly walls. When you look from here, you can see how wiggly they are. But yeah, any ideas on how I can make this look prettier, hit your girl up, because I want to make it look nice. Okay, and that is it for this week's vlog. Come back on Sunday for that super cool cabin that we went to. It was beautiful. Bye.